Thank you for watching videos by Jeff Sibelius and landandairphotos.com. In this video, I'm going to publish several sample clips that were taken by the Autel Evo Lite Plus in normal HDR and log settings. I'm working on a first look video on the Evo Lite Plus. I should have that one done pretty soon. In the meantime, I wanted to publish this video, which gives you a look at the footage taken by the Evo Lite Plus, because really the bottom line is, how good is the video that comes from this drone, right? So I've got a bunch of clips that I'm going to show you, and I shot them at log and HDR and normal color settings. At 6K, really 5K, at 6K, they don't have the HDR, so for those clips all I've got is normal and log. Anyway, this is a whole bunch of the clips for you to look at, and you can judge for yourself what you think of the footage from this camera. And also, if you want, I've got a link in the description below where you can download the raw clips yourself. None of these are edited. You can download those yourself and try working with them on your computer, and you can really get a good idea of the quality of video that you get from this drone. For now, let's check out the sample clips. There are more videos on screen right now, so I hope you'll check those out. Before you go though, click that cartoon Jeff in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I certainly plan to publish more videos, if only to get under DJI's skin, so you don't want to miss those. And as always, I really do appreciate your comments and your likes. They do help the channel a lot.